up the kitchen a little bit. Gotta make myself some coffee, tiramisu coffee, which I'm gonna give a try. Sounds very good. It's one of my favorite desserts. And today is actually cleanup day, I guess, for us, on Saturday. I'm gonna go and vacuum the whole apartment because it's rug. Clean up a little bit all around, just to every single weekend, just, you know, keep it organized. Do these little K-cups so I can put them in here, and hopefully it will work. That was quite easy. So now my tiramisu coffee is in this little main cup. Put it right in here. Close it. Now the water is warming up, and then I'm gonna put medium so it will fit. It's really good. So my cousin just texted me they're at the beach, so I'm actually gonna go down to the beach and enjoy the beautiful day. Alright, well, off we go. That was a good day at the beach and good run. Now I'm gonna go back and on my way to make some lunch. Alright, we are back and I got a package and hopefully you'll see what it is. Got my shower curtain, the package, and some towels, so we're all set.
Okay, so Connor is out doing things, and while I'm here, I'm going to clean up my room a little bit. This is my bed. Bed's made, but maybe like some of this stuff, this box needs to be gone. And this, that has my car in it. Maybe clean up my closet. There's some clean clothes I have to fold, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. No more boxes. Now I'm going to work on my guitar stand. I got my closet all done. Looks pretty good. Stand done. Got most of my room done. This is what it looks like. Not bad. Looks pretty decent. There's a bed. Eventually I want to get 2 end tables. I'm just waiting for Connor to get back and we're gonna go and do a little RCing.
Alright, I am back and now we're gonna test out this RC car and see how fast it goes. Alright, today was a pretty good day. Finishing up the day on the porch, some really nice views, and as you saw, Christian took a little bit of a stab at the vlog.
Yeah.
He did pretty good, I think. And today was pretty chillaxing. Went to the beach and enjoyed the day, and hope you have a great rest of your day.
Adios.